This video covers managing items with the Tabs and Items Manager, which is located in the dashboard in the Catalog section under Catalog Admin. Please see the Manage Tabs using the Tabs and Items Manager video for managing tabs. The first tab with items in it is automatically selected when you first open the Tabs and Items Manager. Select another tab to see the items in that tab. To move items within a tab, ensure that the Sort and Items By drop-down is set to manual sorting, and the Moving Copying Items button in the top right is set to moving items. Enable the checkbox for one or more items that you want to move within the list of items in that tab, and I'm going to enable the checkbox for 2 items and move them in tandem. I'm going to place them between the 2 top business cards. Click on them and drag and drop them. You'll see that the items separate, and you can drop the items above or below the item over which you are hovering. To move an item to an existing tab, enable the checkbox for the item or items, click on the items, and drag and drop them on top of the other tab. I'm going to move the 2 items I just moved to the single-sided tab. They're no longer in the dual-sided tab, and they are in the single-sided tab. To add an item to a new tab, click the Add Tab button. Change the name of the tab by clicking the Edit icon here if you wish. Go back to the tab that has the items that you want to move, enable the checkboxes for the item or items, and drag and drop them onto the new tab. The tab will have a blue background as you hover over it. Release, and the items are now in the new tab. You would set the Moving Items button to Copying Items if you want an item to appear in multiple tabs. Now let's talk about the tab template that's applied to a particular tab. The default tab template is set in Catalog Admin under the Catalog Layout section. This site has the picture list as the default template. This will be the template applied to all tabs unless you override the setting in a tab's Tab Template dropdown. If you are using the Picture Gallery template, shown here, you can override the default number of columns set for a particular tab by using the Picture Gallery columns here. You can sort items in a tab en masse via the Sort Items dropdown. An item's product code is set in an item's product_info tab, and the product type code is set in an item's custom tab. There are a number of items on this site in the Items Without Tabs section. Items without tabs cannot be ordered. Move them to a tab to be able to order them. To hide a tab and prevent anyone from ordering in that tab, you can enable the Hide This Tab button. The tab will not be visible to anyone, including you, as a site administrator.